No, ChatGPT won't make you rich, but these 4 questions might. Everybody online right now is talking about AI. And everywhere you look, somebody is saying, ask ChatGPT this, ask ChatGPT that, use this prompt. This AI tool will make you rich. But let me say something honest. AI by itself is not changing people's lives and their bank accounts. I'm sorry, folks. It's not what's changing people's lives. It's leverage. And most people are still using ChatGPT like a toy instead of it using like a strategic tool that it is. Now, I have to admit, when I first started seeing these videos talking about 4 prompts to become rich, I rolled my eyes a little bit too. But there's a lot of hype online right now, a lot of noise online right now. People selling pipe dreams, people making claims they can't back up. But after really thinking about it, I realized there actually are a few powerful questions you can ask AI that can completely change how you think about money, income, business, and opportunity. Not magically, not overnight, but strategically. And in this video, I want to give you the 4 real questions that actually matter, especially if you're trying to build income online, start over, reinvent yourself, or stop depending on one paycheck. And trust me, question number 2 might be the most important one of all. Question number 1. What skill do I already have that people would pay for? This is where most people get stuck because they think making money online means becoming an influencer, learning complicated tech, or pretending to be an expert. But most people are sitting on valuable information and experience already. They just don't realize it yet. They don't recognize it. See, the internet changed the game. Today, ordinary knowledge can become digital income. If you know how to cook, budget, travel cheaply, repair things, stay healthy after 50, speak confidently, organize life, navigate retirement, or teach life lessons, there's probably somebody online willing to learn from you. And this is where AI can actually help. Because ChatGPT can help you identify your experience, your strengths, possible digital products, content ideas, audience pain points, ways to package what you already know. Not fake expertise, real life experience. And honestly, I think a lot of people underestimate how valuable lived experience is becoming, especially now. Question number 2. What problem is getting worse that people will pay to solve? This question right here, this is where real opportunity usually lives. Because money follows problems. And look around. People are stressed right now. Cost of living is rising. Retirement feels uncertain. People are scared of layoffs. Many people are realizing one paycheck no longer feels safe. That's why topics like side income, side hustle, digital products, digital nomads, remote work, downsizing, relocation, and financial independence are exploding online. Because these are emotional problems. And emotional problems create demand. Now, this doesn't mean exploiting fear, like far too many people are doing. It means helping people adapt. That's a big difference. And this is why I believe calm, practical creators are becoming more important. Not hype people, not fake gurus. People who can say, here's what's happening, and here's a practical way forward. That kind of voice matters right now. It really does. Authenticity wins the day. Question number 3. How can I turn one piece of content into multiple assets? Now, this is where AI becomes a real superpower for creators because leverage changes everything. Years ago, you had to build everything manually. Today, one video can become shorts, Facebook Reels, blog posts, email captions, lead magnets, digital products, community posts, sales content. And this is why consistency is becoming easier for solo creators. Not because AI replaces people, but because it reduces the friction. That's real talk, people. This is one of the biggest mind shifts I've personally had. Instead of constantly asking, what should I create next? You start asking, how much value can I extract from what I already created? That's a completely different way of thinking. And the people learning this right now are going to have a major advantage over the next few years. Question number 4. What would someone making 10 times more than me do differently? This might be the most uncomfortable question, because usually the answer is not work harder. It's think bigger, build systems, improve positioning, communicate more clearly, become more consistent, focus on trust, stop chasing every trend. And maybe, most importantly, they use leverage. That's what wealthy creators and entrepreneurs understand. They don't try to do everything manually forever. They build systems around their knowledge. And AI can help you do that faster. Not perfectly, but faster. And let me say something important here. I do not believe ChatGPT is going to magically make everybody rich. That's straight up hype. Nothing more, nothing less. But I absolutely believe AI is creating one of the biggest leverage opportunities we've seen in years, especially for creators, educators, coaches, consultants, storytellers, people with life experience. Truth be told, I think older creators like myself may have a hidden advantage right now, because in a world filled with AI-generated noise, people are going to value wisdom, experience, calmness, clarity, and authenticity even more. That matters. So no, I don't think there are 4 magical prompts that are going to suddenly change your bank account overnight. But I do believe asking better questions absolutely change your direction. And maybe that's the real opportunity here. Not using AI to avoid thinking, but using AI to think better. Now, I'd love to know your thoughts. What's one skill, experience, or lesson from your life that you think people would actually pay to learn? Drop it in the comments. And if you're interested in learning how to how regular people are quietly building digital income online, check out the free guide linked below. I'll show you simple digital product ideas and how people are turning knowledge into income in today's economy. And remember, you don't need to become somebody else to build income online. Sometimes you simply need to package what you already know. I'll see you in the next video.